In a small town nestled between the rolling hills, lived a group of young musicians, known as the Melody Makers. They were a lively bunch, each with their own unique sound, but they struggled to create the perfect harmony. One day, they stumbled upon an old, dusty shop filled with an array of instruments. Inside, they found a strange-looking band, unlike any they had seen before. The shopkeeper, an old man with a twinkle in his eye, revealed it was a magic band. "This band," he said, "has the power to bring the perfect harmony to any melody." Intrigued, the melody makers bought the band and eagerly headed back to their town. As they played their instruments, they found something magical happening. The band seemed to amplify their individual sounds, blending them into a beautiful, harmonious symphony. The townsfolk were amazed, and the melody makers were overjoyed. However, as time passed, the magic band began to lose its power. The melody makers wondered what they could do to restore it. They realized that the band's magic came from their unity and the love they shared for their music. Determined to bring back the magic, they decided to spend more time together, practicing, learning, and growing as musicians. They shared their music with others, spreading the joy and harmony they had found. The magic band began to regain its power, and the melody makers' music became more beautiful than ever. The townsfolk cheered, and the melody makers realized something profound. The key to harmony was not just a magical band, but the unity and love they shared for their music. From that day forward, the melody makers continued to play, their music echoing through the hills, a testament to the power of unity, hard work, and a shared love for music. The magic band remained a symbol of their journey, a reminder that with dedication and unity, even the impossible can become possible.